The fear and anger about Donald Trump's rise to the most powerful position in the United States reverberated at protest sites around the world today. Millions of people across Paris, London, Washington, D.C., and now in Santa Ana, California, where what started as a lone, solitary message soon amplified into a battle cry, bursting out into the streets. Over 20,000 people flooded into the compact downtown area of Santa Ana. But what started as a march for women's rights soon transitioned into a resistance coalition against some of the policies put forth by President Trump. Proposed cuts to health care, changes to immigration, and the defunding of Planned Parenthood. Here's what some of the people who would be affected by these potential changes had to say.
First of all, the character of our new president is not someone that I feel should be leading the most powerful country in the world. He's setting a terrible example. And my young daughter, who's 10, and my son, who's 5, I want them to see that in a democracy, if you don't like it, you can stand up and peaceably protest. So we're really demonstrating through behavior, not words, what you can do to organize as the people.
I am somebody who goes to Planned Parenthood, and if I didn't have that option for me, I don't know what I would do, because the services are really expensive and they really help a lot of women out there. And also, I'm young, so obviously healthcare is very expensive. If I didn't have Obamacare to help me, I don't know if I'd be able to afford insurance.
Do you think there's any room to bring both sides together?
I absolutely do. My family all voted for Trump. The day after the election, we sat down and we talked about how we were hurting. My wife and I were hurting that vote happened, and how they were hurting, and that's why they felt the need to vote for President Trump. And I believe that by working together, by feeling each other's emotions and having those conversations, we can work towards a greater union together.
But the larger, more intensely organized marches like the one today behind me are a strong indicator that a larger coalition may be forming. In Santa Ana, I'm Zach Coomer.